Now let us see example 6.20. Now see the question. A kite is flying at a height of 75 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. So now see the solution. Now we can see how to draw this diagram. So in our question what they have given, a kite is flying at a height of 75 meter above the ground. So here this is ground, here one ground, okay. So after one kite is flying, after the height of the kite above the ground, what they have given, this height they have given, okay. So above the ground to the kite, what is the height they have given, that is 75 meter they have given, okay. So from the ground to this kite they have given, that is 75 meter. Next what they have given, the string attached to the kite, okay. So the string attached to the kite and temporarily tied to the ground point. So here they have tied, okay. Here they have tied. So this is string, okay. So in our question what they have given, this is the ground. Above the ground one kite is flying. The height of the kite above the ground, that is 75 meter they have given. After the string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to the ground, okay. So after in our question what they have given, the inclination of the string. So the inclination of the string with the ground, okay. So this is ground, this is string. So the inclination mean angle. So angle of this one what they have given, 60 degree angle they have given, okay. So the inclination of the string and with the ground, that is 60 degree angle they have given. In our question they have asked to find out the length of the string. Length of the string means this length they have asked to find out, okay. So first I understood the diagram, okay. So then easily you can find out the answer. So in our question this is the ground. After one kite is flying and the height of the kite above the ground, that is 75 meter. The string attached to a kite and temporarily tied with the ground, okay. So this angle, the inclination of the string with this ground, that angle they have given, that is 60 degree. They have asked to find out the string, length of the string they have asked to find out, and make the letter, this is A, this is B, this is C, okay. So now you can see this is the right angle triangle, okay. So now this is the right angle triangle. In our question they have asked to find out this length only, they have asked to find out. That length means AC, the length of the string, AC length only we need to find out. So you know that this right angle triangle mean, so here which one is the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, this is the opposite side, this is the adjacent side, okay. So this is hypotenuse, this is opposite side, okay. So I know that here which ratio you can use it to find out this length of the string. So see here, opposite side you know that, that is 75 meter, you know that AB means the height of the height above the ground, okay. So AB length you know that, that is 75 meter, that is opposite side you know that. In our question they have asked to find out the length of the string, that means AC length we need to find out, that is the adjacent side, sorry, that is the hypotenuse, okay. So that is the hypotenuse. In our question opposite side we know that, in our question itself they have given. After hypotenuse we need to find out the string, we need to find out. Then which ratio you can use it, sine theta you can use it, because sine theta ratio only opposite side divided by hypotenuse, okay. So first you have to write, let AB be the, AB means height of the kite above the ground. AB you know that, that is 75 meter. The next one AC length only we need to find out. AC here what is it, AC be the length of the string. So after you know that angle 60 degree, how you can write, BCA or ACB, okay. So angle C you know that, that is 60 degree you know that. So you can write the right angle triangle name, how to write, ABC or CBA, okay. So that angle C also you know that. So you can write the right angle triangle ABC, angle ACB is equal to 60 degree, you know that. Already I said sine theta only we need to use it, because opposite side you know that, that is 75 meter. Hypotenuse we need to find out length of the string, okay. So this ratio you can use it, sine theta is equal to AB divided by AC. AB divided means AB opposite side divided by hypotenuse, that is AC. So theta value here, what is it, theta value means the angle, okay. So that angle 60 degree they have given is equal to AB you know that, that is 75 divided by AC you need to find out. Sine 60 degree value, that is root 3 by 2 is equal to 75 divided by AC. Now you know that cross multiplication. Okay, so cross multiplication, how you can do? So AC, so this and this if you multiply means 75 into 2, that is 150. So AC into root 3 it will come. Okay, so root 3 after if you bring it to this side means AC is equal to 150 divided by root 3. So you know that the denominator you have the irrational factor. So how to make this rational? So now see here, if you want to cancel this means 150 you can write as 50 into 3 or not? Yes, 50 into 3, that is 150. After 50 into 3 also you can write as root 3 into root 3. Why we are writing like that? The denominator you have root 3. So this 3 if you write as root 3 into root 3 mean you can cancel it. Okay, so that's why we have written this one. 50 into 3 mean that is 150. 50 into 3 you can write as root 3 into root 3 only, that is value is 3. Okay, so now we can cancel it or not? Yes, so that is AC is equal to 50 root 3 meter. So the length of the string is 50 root 3 meter. So this is the answer for that. Okay, thank you.